Hey people, I got this little F.H.prager lock sent to me by Dour. This lock, I mean, he couldn't pick it, and it's been a thorn in my side. I've gotten it a few times, but it's deadly camera shy. So at any rate, I just nailed it now, as you can see. It is picked. That's past tense now. At any rate, I'm going to see if I can nail it again for you guys on camera. It just has just an erratic, crazy bidding on it. It's one pin set.
Just because you're a girl doesn't mean you can't join in the fun. Maggie and I are washing the soil full of sailors.
Well, I guess I could let loose and do a little homework. I can start working on my school video project. The assignment is to film the beauty of the everyday. So let's see. Everywhere I look. I am a born filmmaker.
Really interesting stuff. 3 points out of a possible 5.
Oh, that's a funny joke, Mr. Kincaid. Is this an art class or a comedy class? Seriously, why do you drink?
I can make it a 2.
3 it is. You're the teacher, and I accept your decision. The man is an idiot.
Agreed. The film has everything. Emotion, conflict, Millhouse.
Lisa, you're a gifted film. It's as if Ingmar Bergman and Penny Marshall had a baby.
Thanks for Skinner. I didn't know you knew so much about film.
Cinema is my secret passion. Have you even written a screenplay or two on speculation?
It's a tough little bugger.
The principal who sold the screenplay?
They sound great. I'd love to read them sometime.
Unfortunately, the studios have made it so not interested in my work like that. I'm no longer welcome on the Universal Studios tour.
Orlando or Hollywood?
There's one in Hollywood?
Yeah, getting back to my grade.
Forget grades. The right subject, you could be a great filmmaker. What comes to mind when you think of drama?
Well, according to Aristotle, drama contains 6 elements. Plot, theme, character.
Not the smarty pants answer. Where's the drama in your life?
Okay, but can I just finish the smarty pants answer?
No, in your life.
My family! Language, rhythm, and spectacle.
Family.
And there we have it. I'll tell you, this little lock, like I said, Dour couldn't pick it, and he sent it to me, and I've had it for damn near a month. And I've tried it here and there, but then I finally sat down and I said to myself, it's 4 pins. It can't be that hard. And it's a surprisingly difficult pick for a 4-pin lock. I would say this is the hardest 4-pin lock I have ever come across. As has been my experience with FHP locks, they seem to come quite radically bidded. They're not expensive locks, but they are surprisingly well made. At any rate, hope you enjoyed that as much as I did making it. Peace. Don't break the law. Have fun. And for dynamite lock picking tools,